Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Bull Bitcoins account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Bull Bitcoins account, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in bullbitcoin.com and make a search. The official page of Bull Bitcoin will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the screen and click on Login option. The login page of Bull Bitcoin will appear on the screen. Enter your email address and password associated with your Bull Bitcoins account and click on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password option. This is how you can log into your Bull Bitcoins account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.